Most brands that produce a Beab range have several different colors of Beab to choose from. For example, Correction Gel comes in clear, translucent pink, and pink concealer. Which colors you're using is entirely personal preference, but here are a few things to consider. Firstly, pigment ruins everything. From Beab to dipping systems to liquid and powder, having additional pigment or color in a product reduces its adhesion and strength compared to the colorless or clear version. The pigment molecules interfere with the bond between Beab and the natural nail, which reduces adhesion, as well as the bond between the gel molecules themselves, reducing strength. A colored Beab is still a high-quality, durable product, but there may be instances when using a clear Beab is better suited. For example, creating extensions or on a client whose natural nail health you want to inspect at each backfill appointment. Due to the increased adhesion and tighter molecular bonds of clear Beabs, it will likely have increased soak-off times, which you need to factor into your service time or compensate for by thinning the nail more before soaking it off. On the flip side, that weakened bond we talked about also increases flexibility, since the molecules aren't so tight. With clients who want a thin overlay, I personally find this to be a benefit. Yes, clear technically has better adhesion, but technology is so advanced now that there's not really any such thing as bad adhesion, or at least there's no excuse for it, just slightly less good. And yes, clear is strong, but when it's thin, that Beab level of strength can't always compete with how much a thin nail flexes. The lack of flexibility without the thickness to add strength can mean that they just break as easily, and therefore a flexible product becomes a higher priority. You really do need to weigh up all the needs of each client. Aside from that, your Beab color choice is entirely personal preference, although shades that are fairly neutral toned, not too warm or cool toned, are popular choices as they suit most clients. I have a lot of clients that wear pink concealer correction gel as a color on its own and rarely paint over it if ever, and others who get gel polish over the top every time. Some clients like to have Beab under French or other negative space designs, but be aware that the sheer Beab colors, even with a substantial overlay, may leave the natural nail free edge visible. You should be able to backfill a Beab manicure with any other colored Beab from the same brand, unless the brand itself says otherwise. Formulas should be fairly consistent across the products of the same brand, even though the addition of different pigments sometimes calls for some behind-the-scenes formula tweaks. If backfilling with a new color, the backfilled area will be visibly different to the existing product, so it's structurally fine but might need painting.